Hey guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Simi's Fashion. So my name is Simi and today in this video I'll be talking about a powerful skin serum that enhances the natural radiance of your skin. Dermatologist's favorite and a best-selling product across countries. You will be excited to know that this product is now also available in your own country in India. So I also thought of just trying this product and reviewing this product for you all. The name of this product is L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic Acid Serum. It is the #1 product in USA, China and Europe, and now it is also available in India. How this product is so successful all across countries, right? So the success of this product is mainly due to its key ingredient, which is the hyaluronic acid. So this hyaluronic acid, this is considered as a star ingredient in any skincare routine, and this is also a favorite for any skin doctor or skin expert, or you can say a dermatologist. Now talking about the benefits and features of this product, let me tell you. Hyaluronic acid जो होती है ये एक मॉलिक्यूल होती है जो हमारी स्किन में नेचुरली प्रेजेंट होती है, and that has the capacity to hold 1000 times of its own weight in water. It means कि ये आपके स्किन को मॉइस्चराइज करके रखती है, आपकी जो स्किन की मॉइस्चर है उसको रिटेन करके रखती है. It keeps your skin more moisturized, hydrated, pulpy and yes, radiant. So इसमें आपकी 1.5% hyaluronic acid serum की concentration है, which has the power to increase the skin radiation level by 42%. So इसकी जो ये 1.5% concentration है, this is the right amount of concentration that our skin care routine needs, and this is not at all diluted. So this makes this product stand out in the category, and this also makes this product one of the best products in this entire category. Now coming to the trial and texture of this product, so I'll tell you how and when you have to apply this product. But before that, I'll just show you about the packaging. So this serum comes in a beautiful glass bottle. This is so sleek, so classy and so cute. So this cute little glass bottle is very good to grip, and also it makes the product so beautiful. Now you have to apply the serum with the help of a dropper. So this serum comes with a dropper in the bottle itself. You can see this is a dropper. So with this dropper only you have to apply the serum. I'm just opening it in front of you like this. So it has a dropper. So you have to just put 3 to 4 drops on your face just directly from the dropper, and then you have to massage it gently onto your skin. So just take 3 to 4 drops on your skin. I'm just taking 3 to 4 drops on my skin. Massage it gently. Avoid the contours of your eyes and just apply in all other areas. So after applying the serum, you will instantly feel a difference in your skin. Your skin will instantly feel hydrated and radiant. Now talking about the texture of the serum, so this serum is so non-sticky. This is not at all greasy, not at all sticky, and the best thing is that it gets absorbed into your skin so quickly. This is extremely lightweight, and yes, it makes your skin very radiant and pulpy. This product has no parabens, no alcohol, no colorant and no fragrance. You can see how transparent this serum is. इसमें कोई भी खुशबू नहीं है, कोई भी fragrance नहीं है, and is so very non-sticky and gets absorbed really very well. So if you are having a sensitive skin, then also you can try this product, because this product is free from any parabens and colors and fragrance. And इसके अलावा if you are having an oily skin, then also this product is the best for you, because this is so very non-sticky. So आपकी ये skin को बिल्कुल भी sticky सा नहीं बनाएगी. So if you are having oily skin, then this product is a good go for you. आपने देखा कि this gets absorbed in your skin so very quickly, and this is so very lightweight, and yeah, I'm also loving it too. Now when to apply this product? So for best results, you have to apply this serum twice daily. एक आप दिन में लगा सकते हैं, एक आप रात में लगा सकते हैं. You can pair it up with your favorite moisturizer, and you can just layer it with your moisturizer or cream and apply it daily, once in a daytime and once in the night time. So I have already tried this product for more than last 10 plus days. I have been using this product, and the first observation after applying the serum was that yes, my skin really feels very hydrated, and then continuously after using every day, I felt that yeah, this is making my skin feel even more radiant and glowy and fresh and very smooth. Now this product is available in two sizes. One is the 15 ml and one is the 30 ml bottle. So this one is the 30 ml bottle, which is of 999 rupees, and the other one, which is the 15 ml bottle, that is in just 499 rupees. Now because this serum is a really concentrated one, like you have to use only 3 to 4 drops in one application. So this bottle, even a small bottle, will last for a very long time. To buy this product, check out the links in the description box below. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.